Hi everyone, iPhone 12 review, 10 things you should know before buying. Today we talk about iPhone 12, what is really special about this phone, what is new in this iPhone model, do you really want to? People think there are great upgrades and new features in this model. Let's check the new iPhone 12 and also check pros and cons of it. Start with number 1. Size and shape of the phone. This phone is super flat iPhone. It is thinner compared to iPhone 11. This phone is super small, in fact smaller than iPhone 7. Corners are round for this model, which we don't see in previous iPhone. Which is why it looks modern and also feels like premium. Number 2. How many colors iPhone 12 is available in? It comes in 5 different colors: white, black, light green, blue, and red. Number 3. What kind of protection does this phone have? Apple says it's 4 times more drop resistant than iPhone 11. Side rails are aluminum with a matte finish, and back side is regular glass with glossy finish. Front side is ceramic shield protection. This makes the device glass strong. Even if fall from certain height, it won't get scratched. It is water resistance. This is also a scratch resistance, and shatter protection is in there. Number 4. MagSafe wireless charger. This year iPhone gives us MagSafe. It's a wireless charger. You can also charge other phones with MagSafe. What about battery life? You can get charged 50% in less than 30 minutes with USB cable, same as with wireless charger. It takes 60 minutes to charge 50%. Number 5. How 5G works in this iPhone. There are ups and downs on 5G. 5G on iPhone 12 is really good. You can get great signal. In 5G you can download videos, you do video chats, a lot of the time you can stay online. When you don't do anything it will automatically switch to 4G, which will save your battery. Sad thing is, the more you use 5G the more battery drains. Number 5. Camera. You can take excellent photos with this phone. This year Apple has updated the camera and its software in iPhone 12. Main camera captures pictures faster than previous iPhones. Ultra-wide camera and single selfie camera is really good. You can get bright pictures even in low light conditions. You can take pictures like professional photographer with this phone. What is better in this camera is low light is better, night mode is better, high dynamic range shots are better, automotion is better, iPhone takes great videos, Dolby Vision HDR is. You will see better colors on pictures. This is a feast if you love to take more selfie pictures. iPhone 12 camera is great. I won't say it is the best of all flagship phones, but it gives good quality pictures. New version of Dolby Vision on this phone is good. It gives HDR quality video footage. Number 7. Which phone is best, iPhone 12 or Pro? Both are good phones. Don't put extra cash on Pro. If you think Pro would be better than iPhone 12, Pro has best camera compared to iPhone 12, but a survey says most of the people like to choose iPhone 12 instead of Pro. Number 8. Is it worth buying? Of course it is worth to keep this iPhone in your pocket. But if you already have phone, and it works fine, then it is not necessary to buy a new phone. Still you want to buy a new phone, I suggest you to buy 128GB storage, instead of 64GB, only $50 more, you get a lot of storage space, you can take a lot of photos. Number 9. I would like to warn you about wireless chargers. Don't buy third-party wireless chargers, use only MagSafe 15-watt wireless charger, it is safe for iPhone models. You can also use MagSafe charger to other company phones. Number 10. What is best USB charger for iPhone? Anchor, USB-C charger, fast charger adapter. Get the power to charge laptops, tablets, phones, and more from a charger that'll fit effortlessly into any bag or even pocket. Try this charger for your iPhone to get quick charge. This is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon on next video. Please subscribe this channel.